Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. K, and I try to explain health and science in a way that everybody can understand. Today, I'm going to be talking about eating at night. I know you might have heard it somewhere. Don't eat at night. It's not good to eat at night. But why do people say that? And is eating at night actually bad, or is this just another health rule we are told to follow without understanding? In this video, I want to explain the biology behind that advice that says we shouldn't eat at night. The first thing we should know is that our body runs on an internal clock. So the human body follows something called a circadian rhythm. This is an internal clock that regulates sleep, hormones, digestion, and metabolism. So during the daytime, the body is biologically prepared to digest food, use energy, and regulate blood sugar efficiently. But in the night, the body actually shifts into something called rest and repair mode. And this shift changes how food is being processed. So during the day, our body is kind of wired to expect food, to expect digestion to take place. But during the night, our body is more wired to do rest and to sleep. That's why our body is really not conditioned to do a lot of digestion of food at night. Another thing is that our body handles food differently at night. One important change is one that involves the hormone insulin. And this is the hormone that helps move sugar from the blood into our cells. So whenever we eat high carbohydrate dense foods like rice, bread, pasta, or things like that, and these foods are digested to simple sugar units like glucose in the blood, insulin is very needed to make sure those sugar molecules are transferred into cells where they are needed. But the thing is that research has shown that insulin sensitivity is often lower at night. That means our body does not handle carbohydrates as efficiently as they do during the day. So imagine eating a lot of carbohydrates late at night and the insulin response is not as efficient. That means we put our body at the risk of having a lot of sugar in our blood because there is not enough insulin to make sure those sugar are reaching the actual cells. And that is not good long term. Another thing we should know is that digestion actually slows down at night. In the night, our stomach emptying slows down, gut movement decreases, and digestion becomes less efficient. Like the whole body process slows down, including digestion. That is why eating large or heavy meals late at night, it can lead to bloating, it can lead to acid reflux, it can lead to discomfort, and even poor sleep quality. So we have to wait. Do you want to eat at night and disrupt your sleep pattern? Or do you want to eat at night and have a lot of bloating afterwards, a lot of acid reflux? Is it worth it? Another thing we should know is that eating at night is not always bad, right? It's not as if some people work at night, some people do night shift. Some people might be at work all day and are busy and haven't eaten anything. They have to eat. And some people have long gap between meals, right? And some people are genuinely hungry at night. So if you eat once in a while at night because of all these conditions, that is totally fine. What our body doesn't like is the fact that eating at night all the time because our body is not wired to process a lot of food at night. So once in a while, that is good. Our body can adapt to that. But when it becomes constant and we do it all of the time, then our body is not responding well to it. So there's a better way to actually think about eating at night. Instead of asking, should I eat at night? I think questions we should ask ourselves is, am I eating now because I'm hungry or because I'm stressed or because I just want a snack, right? You have to think about that when you want to eat at night. Another thing is, how does late night eating affect my sleep and digestion? Try eating at night and see how your body responds the following day. Also, if you must eat at night, maybe because you're studying or you're doing something that keeps you late at night, you can try to find out the kind of foods your body best respond to. So that way you don't get all of the bloating or acid reflux that comes with heavy eating at night. Additionally, when you know the foods that your body responds to, then you can stock up those foods, and whenever you're hungry at night, you can always eat them. Some people also say that drinking warm water at night help them beat the craving such that they can eat the next day. So I am Dr. K, and my goal is to make sure I explain science about health, about our bodies in a way that we can understand and in a way that we can think through it. This is not medical advice. If you are sick or if you are feeling any type of pain, please see a doctor. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.